Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a NUBIA Neo 3 and let me share with you how to fix up crashing. So I'm pretty sure that you were in a situation that, for example, you're trying to open the app and something's wrong, it is crashing, you have no idea what to do. So I'll try to show you some ways thanks to which you can just, fight with this problem. So the first one is a force stop and removing cache. So for example, let's say I've got some problems with Google Chrome. So find the app with which you've got some problems, tap on it and hold it, and tap on this app info icon. We will be transferred to this section connected with this specific app. And the first thing I highly recommend to do is to go to storage and cache here and clear cache. Basically, cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage. Actually, they sometimes can interfere and cause some problems. So simply tap on clear cache. I do not recommend tapping on clear storage unless you wish to make your app brand new. So first of all, the cache, and secondly, force stop. Because basically, if the app is opened in the background, even though you cannot see it in recent, it sometimes is still opened, it might misbehave and it might cause some problems with opening it again. So just tap on force stop and tap on OK. Your device will forcefully stop it. And after that, after those two operations, you can try to open it. If that didn't work, then repeat those steps. So again, force stop, clear cache if some cache was saved, and restart your device. So press the power button, hold it, and then simply tap on restart. This operation will basically confirm all of the changes you've made. If that didn't work, I highly recommend to check for the updates, because sometimes the older versions might have some problems. So simply go to the Play Store, make sure that you've got the internet connection, tap on search, and simply enter the name of the app which you wish to update. So, Chrome in my case. Here we've got it, and if the update is available, your device will show this information right next to the app. So simply tap on update and download it. However, sometimes it also might not work, and because overwriting the newer version over the older one may cause some problems. So what I highly also recommend to do, if the update didn't work, just come back to this section. After update, instead of update, you will see uninstall option. So I highly recommend to simply uninstall it, let your device fully remove this app, and then install it again. It is because sometimes it's better to download the newer version directly, download it and install it, instead of overwriting it over the older one. And if that didn't work, that's a tough problem then. There's also another way which you can try to check. Check the system, check for the updates, because sometimes also older versions of the system might cause some problems with apps. And to do that, you have to simply go to the settings. Right here, we have to scroll all the way down to find System and Update. And at the top, you've got System Update. So simply tap on it, and your device will check for the updates. You can give permissions. It is checking. And if your device will find the update, it will show you the information about it. And I highly recommend to simply tap on Download or Install and apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.